Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can add project to GitHub using command line first, log into your GitHub account, and go to your dashboard. There, you'll see the option for repositories along with a new button. Click on it. Now you'll be asked to name your repository. For example, I'll call mine Social Library. Once the name is available, make sure the repository is set to public. Check the option to add a README file, and then click Create Repository. Your repository will now be created. Next, we'll upload our project using the command line. To do this, you need to have Git installed on your device. If you don't already have it, go to any browser, search for Git download, and you'll find the official site. From there, you can download Git for Windows, Mac, or Linux. The installation process is very simple. I'll assume Git is already installed on your computer. Now, open the folder of the project you want to upload. Once inside the folder, right-click and select Open Git Bash here. When Git Bash opens, you'll notice the terminal is already pointing to your project's directory. The first step is to initialize Git in this folder by typing git init. Then, add all your project files with git add next. Commit the changes with a message. For example, git commit my first upload. This message helps you keep track of what changes you're uploading. Now, you need to connect your local project with the repository you created on GitHub. Go back to GitHub, open your repository, and click the code button. Copy the repository link. Return to Git Bash and type git remote add origin. Finally, push your project to GitHub with git push u origin master. After pressing enter, your files will be uploaded to your GitHub repository. If you go back to GitHub and refresh the page, you'll see your uploaded files such as index.html and any images you included. And that's it. That's how you can upload your project to GitHub using the command line. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.